Hello dear children, today we are going to see about some special angles related with parallel lines. Parallel lines you already learned, is it? So, two lines are said to be parallel if they do not intersect even though we extend it forever.
We can see two lines here, AB and CD. Are they parallel? Yes, if we extend these lines, it will not intersect or cross each other. Or in another way, we can say that if the distance between two lines are equal, then also the lines are parallel. So, lines which are at the same distance everywhere and do not meet anywhere are called parallel.
What about these two lines AB and CD? Are they parallel? We can check it. So we can extend this. This also we can extend. So this point meets here. So that means these two lines are not parallel. What will happen when another line crosses two parallel lines? Let's see.
Here we can see PQ and RS are two parallel lines and another line AB cuts across these two parallel lines. Also, this AB is known as transversal. So what happens when this transversal cuts two parallel lines? So we can see 8 angles are formed. The top parallel lines makes 4 angles and the bottom parallel line makes the other 4 angles. So if we pair one angle from the top section and one angle from the bottom section, either they are equal or they are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is 180 degree. So first we are going to see pairs of matching angles. Look, these pairs of angles marked. These angles are at similar position at the bottom and top of the parallel lines. Also, these angles are equal. There are 3 more pairs of angles like this which are at similar positions. These pairs of matching angles are called corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal in parallel lines.
So we have a clear idea about corresponding angles, isn't it? So here we can see two parallel lines, XY and UV, and the line AB that cut across this two parallel line. Or we can say this line as transversal. So this transversal makes 4 angles with the top parallel line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this transversal makes again 4 angles with the bottom parallel line. Okay. So, if one angle is given, can you tell me which one is the corresponding angle? So, let it be here. Can you tell me the angle corresponding to this one? So, here with the top parallel line, the position is here. So, what will be here? The position, the same position we can see here. So, this is the corresponding angle of this. And if the angle is 70 degree here, what will be here? Here it will be again 70 degree. Why? Because corresponding angles are equal. Can you tell me the corresponding angle of this one? Here, with the bottom parallel line, the position is here. So, where it will be? The position will be here. So, this is the corresponding angle of this. So, if we know one angle among these 8 angles, we can find out other all angles. Can you find out? Let the angle here be 100 degree. So can you find out other all angles? So here itself we can write 100 degree because they are equal. So here 100 degree. Any other angle can you find out? So here you can see this angle. Any connection with this? They are linear pair. Angles on a straight line, is it? So the sum will be 180. So can you find out the angle here? If the sum is 180, what will be here? 180 minus 100 degree. Okay, so what will be here? It will be 80 degree. So we get the next angle. So what about here? These two angles, any connection? These two angles are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So here if it is 100, here also 100 degree. Again we can see vertically opposite angle. So here also we can write 80 degree. Then the same method we can follow here. So what about here? Here 80 degree. Then again we can write here 80 degree. Again here vertically opposite angle. So here also 100 degree. So with one angle we find out other all angles. Clear? So if we take one angle from here, from the top set of the parallel line, one angle 100, here we can take another angle 100, they are equal, is it? Or if we take another angle, here 100 and another angle 80, they are supplementary. So if we take any angle from this and we pair with another angle here, we can see that either they are equal or they are supplementary. Is it clear? So feel free to clear your doubts with your teachers. We can see the next pair of matching angles in the next classes. Until then, bye.